Good morning, my friends. Over the years, things and time have changed drastically, and a lot of men out there are presently in a confused state of mind as it relates to relationships and them attracting the right woman. They are confused as in what the woman wants from them, what type of man they need to be for the woman, and how can they attract the right woman. Well, this morning's message is to all the brothers out there who are seeking to find a good woman. These traits that I will be sharing with you will most definitely not attract all women, but I can guarantee you that it will attract a good woman. If the females are in agreement with the characteristics that I will be speaking on, please comment in the comment section. Now, males, traits in a man that attracts a woman. The first one is a man with clarity. A man who is clear about his intention and role in a woman's life. Women don't like uncertainty. They invest their emotions, time, and essence where it is clear she is the only one. The second thing, a man with vision. A man who knows where he wants to go and is actively pursuing the vision. A man who is not just living for the here and now, but has a long-term view of life. He is like what we would say a legacy builder. The third characteristic is a man who is decisive. A man who is not afraid to make decisions and stand by them. The fourth characteristic, a man with healthy pride. A man who believes in himself and his worth. A man who takes pride in his name and the man he was working on becoming. Because after all, my brothers, the family that you're creating will bear your name. So you have to take pride in your name and yourself. The sixth characteristic is a honest man. A man who doesn't tell unnecessary lies and is able to be real with his woman. Women can handle the truth, well, at least most of them. The seventh characteristic is interest and concern. Women like a man who wants to search out her with care. A man who not only pays attention but also gives attention. Women love to be cared for. The eighth characteristic, a man with humor. A man who doesn't take life too seriously. He can be goofy, make memories, make her laugh, lighten a tough mood, and make the children, if they have any, at ease. A woman cherishes a good laugh. The ninth characteristic is a man with character. That's a man who has principles he believes in and he lives by it. A man who knows how to say no to what doesn't benefit his growth. A man with a firm identity. The 10th characteristic, a man who is balanced. A man who is not just focusing on one aspect of his life. He's not working too much that he forgets his family. He's not bonding with his friends that he forgets his home. He's not too spiritual that he forgets to be romantic. He's not too much into money that he forgets the many things money can't buy. And the last, but most definitely not the least, a man who is stable. So we're looking at stability. A man who is dependable, who she can rely on, one who is committed and has a steady hand to navigate the storms of life. So once you have all or at least most of these characteristics as a man, you will attract a good woman. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.